Sneezing suddenly or nonstop. Itchy? Hives? Red or watery eyes? Runny nose? Trouble breathing? If you have these symptoms, you might be having an allergic reaction. What is an allergic reaction? An allergic reaction occurs when your body's immune system overreacts to typically harmless substances, for example, pollen or dust. Allergy symptoms can be as mild as a runny nose or as severe as anaphylactic shock. What happens during an allergy attack? When you have allergies, your immune cells, mast cells, release chemical substances called histamine, causing allergy symptoms. Antihistamines are commonly used to treat allergy symptoms. They work by blocking histamines from attaching to certain cells, which helps to lessen allergic reactions. They can start working in as little as 30 minutes, but they can also cause side effects like drowsiness, dry mouth, headache, and blurred vision. Introducing quercetin, the powerful natural antihistamine. Unlike typical antihistamines, quercetin helps stabilize mast cells and prevents histamine from causing allergic reactions. Quercetin doesn't just fight allergies, it also works as a strong antioxidant. Reduces inflammation, fights viruses and bacteria, boosts immunity, and lowers the risk of chronic diseases. In short, quercetin can help manage allergy symptoms and improve quality of life. Say goodbye to achoo, runny nose, and itchiness. Vital Health Quercetinimmu alleviates allergy symptoms while also strengthening the body. Vital Health Quercetinbreth combines higher strength quercetin with patented turmeric extract for quick relief of allergy symptoms and enhanced respiratory health.